In this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you how to get from Silvermoon city to Undercity in WoTLK. So the location on the map is that I'm located in Silvermoon, right here in Eversong Woods, and to get to Undercity, which is the capital of the undead, you'll have to get right here at the Sunfury Spire, alright, so right here on the map, and you have to enter this building because we can find the teleport right here, so we don't have to take any zeppelin for that, and definitely we don't have to walk our way out down to Undercity. So once you enter Sunfury Spire, get right here behind and now climb these stairs and you'll find here a teleport which will take you to Undercity, and all that in less than a minute. So once you get to this orb, right click on it, the Orb of Translocation, and now I just got teleported myself to Undercity. I'll show you now on the map. I'm located right here in Tyr's World Glades in Undercity. So that's how to get from Silvermoon to Undercity in WoTLK. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.